Hello friends from all over the world, welcome to Me Paintings. I'm Veronica Me and I'm very happy to see you here today because I prepared this special painting tutorial for you. As you can see, I'll be using my favorite rainbow colors in my special acrylic pour. This is yellowish green, Indian yellow, cadmium orange, cadmium red, magenta. This is, well, let's put this here. This is mauve, violet, cerulean blue and sap green. So all these colors will go into one cup and create a beautiful piece of art. I use acrylic colors which I mix with pouring medium, and I make my own pouring medium from glue and water. This is the glue which I'm using. I mix 60% of PVA glue and 40% of tap water. That creates my pouring medium, which I mix with my acrylic colors, usually in ratio 1:1, but it depends on the brands of colors which you're using. I'm using these from Lucas Krill Studio, which I buy in local art shop, but I'm sure you can find these somewhere online. And if your colors are thick, then you have to use more pouring medium, and if your colors are thin, then you can use less pouring medium. So sometimes you mix like 40% of acrylic colors, 60% of pouring medium. It depends on the brand of colors. And this is the fluidity of my colors. It looks like honey. I also put 2 drops of silicone oil in each color, in all of them, because silicone oil helps to pop some of the cells, but it's not necessary to put it in. If you're doing swipe, then you'll get cells, but it's better if you are looking for cells, then put like 2 drops of silicone oil in each color, so you'll be sure that you'll get some nice cells. So let's move these aside. And I also have got this white color here, which is titanium white mixed with pouring medium. And I'm also going to put 2 drops of silicone oil, in my white, because I want some nice cells on my canvas, which is size 40 times 40 centimeters. So I'm going to pour in this cup. And firstly, let's put this white on the bottom of my cup. Pouring my colors, I start with the dark green. So, sap green all in there. Then I've got my cerulean blue. Violet. All mixed together nicely. Mauve. And a little bit of this green. I'm going to flip this cup full of beautiful colors on my canvas. So let's try. And I'm also going to pour this white around here because it helps with the flow. And then some white accents will show, hopefully. Ready, steady, go. Wow, beautiful colors, look at that. Let's get these out, because I don't like wasting anything. And it's time to spread them everywhere. So let's start here. Okay, so it's time to use my heat gun. Wow, and look at all these beautiful colorful cells. Look at that. I'm going to let this dry for about a week, and then I'm gonna show you what to do next with these. So see you soon. So my pour is dry after 5 days, and these cells turned out amazing. They look like 3D cells already, but I would like to make them even more 3D looking, and I would like to create this round creature in the middle. So I would like to paint these corners gold, and then I'll see what I'll do. Let's start drawing here on the bottom. So I will just highlighting the path which I want to go. Now I'm going to cover these parts with gold acrylic color. I think it will add the uniqueness into my pour. So I put 2 layers of gold on these edges and made the shape more round, and now I can start working on the little details which will make it look even more 3D. You can already see some parts here, and I'm going to show you details so you can also create this amazing 3D looking acrylic pour. So I've got my acrylic marker, black one, and I'm going to highlight these cells with this marker, and I'm just going to go with the shape of my cell, and then take my brush, put it in the water, tap it on a tissue, and try to blend this, and it creates that shade which I need for my cells to look 3D. And you have to be quite quick when you'll be doing this, otherwise your marker gets dry. So yeah, easy peasy, just go around this cell shape and create a 3D looking shape cell. So this one as well. And I'm gonna cover these little parts with gold. And now when my black is dry, I can use white acrylic marker and paint or draw some reflection on my cells. So just a little reflections here and thin line here as well. Perfect, it makes that cell pop and look like a little colorful water drop or something like that. So I'm gonna finish the rest of them. There's lots of them, but I promise it will create an amazing 3D looking acrylic pour with cells. And you know what, I also decided to paint some of these parts with gold, so it will be a very interesting structure. So for that I'll just use this acrylic marker, and then I'm going to fill it the second layer with this gold, because this one is a tiny different shade than this one, so it's just easier for me to draw this with a marker and then fill it with this gold acrylic color. And this is the result of my 3D cell acrylic pour. I love every bit of this cell creature. It looks so cool. So as you can see, acrylic pouring has so many different ways how you can create art, and your imagination is limitless, so you can create absolutely anything out of your acrylic pours. I hope you enjoyed this special tutorial. I hope it was inspirational for you. And if it was, please give a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. You can also join my Facebook group, which is called Create With Me, and show us your beautiful art. You can see many more interesting videos on my YouTube channel here, which hopefully will inspire you to create and paint. Thank you for watching. Bye!